Hello students, in this video we are going to see the examples on a class diagram. Okay, so the example is the description is given, and based on this description you have to draw the class diagram. Okay, so the question is, model the relationship between a car that has an engine and a color and its owner having a name. In a UML class diagram, a car can have several owners over time, but only one or none owner at a time. Okay, so question is, do not forget the cardinalities, role name, attributes and their types, and convert the same class diagram into the object diagram. Means in these questions the two questions are given, that is first is from the descriptions you have to draw the class diagram. Okay, and after that from the class diagram you have to convert that class diagram into the object diagram. Okay, so this type of question is given. So how to solve this question? First, identify the classes. Okay, after identifying classes, identify the attributes and the relationship from the classes, and using all these notations draw the class diagram. Okay, so for that I have already drawn the class diagram. So here you can see the class diagram is already drawn. So from the given descriptions I have identified the car class is there and the owner class is there. Okay, so here they have already specified model the relationship between the car and owner. Okay, that means the two classes are given, car and the owner. So you can see here I have drawn the car class and the owner class. Okay, and they have given the car has engine and the color. That means these two are the attributes of the car. Okay, engine and the color. Here I have specified the data type of the engine and the data type of the color. So engine colon integer. Okay, so these are the notations, UML notations for specifying the attributes. After that the color is the name of the attribute, colon string is the type of this color. Okay, or the type of this attribute. So likewise you can draw the class. Okay, notation of a class. After that they have told that the owner class having a name. Okay, that means the here they have specified the attribute of the owner class, that is the name, and the data type is string. Okay, so here I have included this data type. After that a car can have several owners over a time. So using these descriptions we have understood that they have this description is for the multiplicity. Okay, a car can have several owner. That means we have identified one car have one or more owner. Okay, so likewise we have added the multiplicity, but only one or none owner at a time. So again they have given the cardinality for this. Okay, so here we have identified have is the association name between these two classes, between the car and owner classes. So one car have one or many owner. Okay, so likewise you can draw the class diagram. Okay, now we'll see how to draw this diagram in the Argo UML. Okay, so here you can see the Argo UML workspace is there. So I want to draw the class diagram. So here you can see the class diagram notation is there. So simply just click in the workspace. Okay, I want to draw the two classes, that is the car class and the owner class. Okay, so I have given the name of car, and for here the name is the owner. Okay, so these are the two classes. Now I want to give the association, simple association I want to give. So I have given this type of association, simple association. Here you can see the name. Okay, so have is the association name, and I want to add the cardinality, that is one car have the one or more owner. Okay, now I want to add the attributes. Okay, so here the car attributes are the engine and the color. Okay, so now I want to add the next attribute. So for adding, I have just click on the plus sign. Okay, so next attribute is the color, and the data type of this color is the string. Okay, so likewise you can add the attribute. Here I don't want to add any method, that's why just remain keep empty this field. Okay, so here I want to add the owner attribute. So owner attribute is the name, and the data type of this attribute is the string. So likewise I have added the attributes. Okay, so likewise you can draw the class diagram. Okay, so here I have used the ArgoUML tool for representing this class diagram. So I hope you have understood how to draw the class diagram. Okay, so next question is same, convert this class diagram into the object diagram. Okay, so how to convert this into the object diagram? So already you know how to convert this class diagram into the object diagram. So for that let's look the solution. So what we have added, I have added the three classes. Okay, so you can see here the class diagram is converted into the object diagram. Okay, so the two classes are there, car class and the owner class, but here you can see I have drawn the three classes. Okay, two for owner and one for the car. Why these three classes? Because we are drawing the object diagram, and in the class diagram they have specified that one class has one or many owner. So for that we have drawn the two owner. Okay, you can draw the three owner also, but I have added the two because to showing this type of relationship, one or more owner. Okay, so all of you know that this is the notation for the object. Okay, for object notation, colon car. Okay, and I have underlined that name, car, colon car underline. Okay, same for the owner object, colon owner and underline that word. Okay, so you can see that this type of notation is used for the drawing the object diagram. Okay, again we have already know the class diagram is the class diagram contain the attribute declaration only, and the object diagram contain the object initialization of that attribute. Okay, so you can see here the engine colon integer is there in the class diagram, and in object diagram I have assigned the values to the attribute name. Okay, so engine is equal to the value and color is equal to black. Again in owner object the name is equal to xyz. Here name is equal to abc. That means the here values are assigned to the attribute in object diagram. Okay, after that you know the have is the association between the car and owner in the class diagram. In object diagram the same type of association name we are using, but only underline is given for that association name. Okay, so car and owner, in between these two objects the have is the association name and which is underline association. Okay, so likewise you can draw the object diagram. Okay, so I hope all of you understood all this, how to convert the class diagram into the object diagram.